Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use button widget in Elementor. So I have installed Elementor free page builder in WordPress, and I'm going to edit one page where I can show you how to add that button widget. So let's open that page in Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor when you go to page options. Okay, so here it is loading in Elementor page builder, and here I have to drop in this button widget from basic widget listing, and here you see my button is now added. I can align it to center. Okay, let's name this sign up for newsletter. Okay, and here I can pass it some link if there is any. You can choose what type of button it is: info, success, default, warning. So the enter becomes red and warning becomes sort of orange, then success becomes green, info becomes blue. Okay, so let's go with that. You can also add icon to it. So let's try to find icon for, let's say, subscription. So if we choose mail, we can use this icon, and here you see sign up for newsletter, and there is mail icon. There is also icon positioning before or after. There is spacing that we can add. Okay, so it becomes closer. We can make it go away from the text. Okay, then there is style, text color, background color, advanced. Okay, motion effects that you can add if you want. Also set border. Let's say border radius 1 would make it a bit rounder edge. Okay, you can make it 2, and see the changes visible. Click on update and we can preview the changes. And here you see our button with rounded edge. You can make it even more round by increasing the radius, but you get the idea how to add button widget, add link to it, and do other customization.